Joey, sorry, long time no hear po. Anyway, ako po ay isang martial law baby, yan, nandun na tayo sa edad na yon. I think I would like to address the influencers at saka mga political thinkers natin ngayon. Kayong nandyan ngayon sa very respectful na platform na to. I think the patience we had waiting during the Marcos Sr. era for 20 years will definitely not apply to this Marcos. Because this Marcos has seen what the senior can get. No? At naputol lang po yan abruptly. So, he also is, he doesn't have empathy, which is another big difference na nakikita natin sa Marcos na to. Nasabi ko to Joey, no, pag tinignan mo yung mata ni BBM, walang kaluluwa. He never talks looking at one person. Wala siyang eye to eye contact. Wala talaga. So, nakakatakot yun, wala siyang empathy. So, this BBM is a witness of what he can still have many years from now. So makikita mo na yung umpisa pa lang gusto nang palawigin yung kanyang termino. I believe that his intention was good from the beginning. No, yung una, kaya lang naalala niya yung ganda ng buhay na nalasap nila noon and how power can really get him what he wants. And he is in the midst of people who will give him that possibility to enjoy what his father had. So, ito yung problema. Yeah, we were told to be patient and wait for that time when the people that can get things moving will move. Right? Iyon ang sinasabi natin paulit-ulit. But this Marcos is not apologetic, was never apologetic to the harm that the Marcos Sr. also has caused sa rights and corruption that we have encountered, rights violation corruption that was encountered in the senior era. They were never sorry. In fact, sa interviews, pinagtatawanan niya yan. Anong corruption? Anong nangyari?
Si Senator Amy lang ang nag-sorry, Tita Itz.
Yes. So but we are still not sure where Amy stands. No? And yun ang poker face na kung yan ay sa pusoy lang, di mo alam paano, ano bang baraha talaga nito. So I can never trust somebody na hindi mo rin hindi transparent. Anyway, politiko yan. The thinking here is, please always take it into consideration kayong mga political movers, no? We cannot forgive someone who is not truly sorry. Ang lagi ko ang sinasabi is, ang intention niya now is to just enjoy what he can have. And he's doing it very fast. Ang bilis, 2 years out of 6 years, nandito na siya sa ganitong kalagayan. Ito rin ang meron niya na wala ang Marcos Sr. noon. Alam niyang pwedeng maputol kagad. Kasi may internet, may social media, so mabilis, madali niyang kinukuha sa mabilisang paraan. So I don't know if the patience you are asking from the people is still applicable. Baka kailangan nating kumilos na mas mabilis, mas maaga. Kasi mas matakaw at mas malakas ang loob ng taong to. Because he knows what he stands to lose. I want to retire in the Philippines. I have worked 25 years in Canada, now a Canadian citizen, so that I have enough pagbalik ko dyan sa Pilipinas. 2 properties ko po tinirhan na ng squatters in the last year alone. And dati naman safe yan. So I'm not blaming BBM entirely for that.
Yes.
But I have worked so hard and so long outside of my country in order to save up. And then I have nothing, parang gusto ko pa rin umuwi. But now, it was a good decision for me to choose a second country. Because yung years na nawala ako, nakita ko kung paano ka-volatile ang gobyerno dyan. But please, you guys are the young people, you move people to act hindi man ako dating political na ganito. And that's true. Many of us don't care, you know. But now we do. And please always think about that. We don't have much time. 2 years. Sabi ko nga kay Joey before, I told you, Joey, like, 6 years is a very long time for a bad president.
Mm-mm.
And 6 years is a short time for somebody like Duterte.
Mm-mm.
I love that, Mommy.